There was a mouse, his name was Chintu. He was small and smart too. He saw a clock on the wall. It went tick, tick, and didn't fall. He thought, what's inside this clock? Why does it go tick like a knock? He climbed up slow and took a peek. He wanted to know he was not weak. He bit a rope, turned a wheel. The clock stopped, it was a big deal. The house was quiet, no more sound. Everyone looked and looked around. Grandma came and smiled so sweet. Don't touch the clock, my dear, my treat. Chintu said, I just wanted to see what makes it tick so busily. Grandma said it's good to ask, but breaking things is not the task. If you want to learn, just say, and I will help you every day. Now Chintu asks and learns each time. He doesn't climb or stop the chime. The clock goes tick